All right, welcome back to Working Yard with Will. So out here at the chipping green, it's been I have to go back and look, maybe 10 days since I put this seed blanket down, and I definitely can see some action happening in there all around that border. Still have to address that open area there. Up in there, looks like you got a little more action happening inside of that area. That one's covered. This middle section is really doing quite well, growing in nicely. So stay tuned. Working Yard with Will. This thing should be ready for prime time in about another week or two, meaning the blanket should be dissolved and I should be able to cut it.